literal boy.
Alright, dude, go trip over a knife.
My boy, my boy, my boy.
Okay, so I kind of just woke up like 10 minutes ago. Like, I woke up kind of late.
Look how much toothpaste is on my lips. Like, they look so crusty and like, I cannot believe this.
It's 6:30. I usually leave like 6:50, 7. So I only have like 30 minutes, which is not a lot of time when you think about it. And I'm like talking so fast. I'm not really sure why I should slow down. My lips are like super chapped right now. Like, don't look at that. I want to trick my friends that I cut my hair. But also if someone snatches it, like, I'm gonna be big mad. But I just had like a spark of like, duh. My dad's been asking me what I want for Christmas. I said, I don't know. And now I finally know, because I just like realized I've been asking him for months. I want a pet snake so bad. Me begging my dad for a pet snake.
I did not end up getting a pet snake, so.
I think that if I just don't do any makeup and I just start like doing the wig, that I'll have time. Also, this is what I'm wearing, by the way. I love when my floor is just like so messy and I just can't even walk. So the last wig video I did, everyone was like, why is it a big deal that she's wearing a wig to school? And I will tell you why. Because nobody wears wigs to my school. Maybe like 2 girls, but not even that I know of. Like, and if they do, it's like super low key and they're super good at it. Me, I am not good at it. I don't really know how to do wigs that well. I'm still learning. So please don't yell at me. I don't know if I want to ask people like, hey, like, what do you think of my hair? Like, what do you think of my haircut? Because then I think it'll be obvious that it's like a wig. Because I think I'm going to wear a beanie with it so I can cover up the hairline. Because we've been new, not good at wigs. This is my last week of public school, and in my last video, everyone was assuming that I was going into online school because people are like mean to me. No, that is definitely not why. And I'm going into online because I literally have so many absences. I think that they add up to a month. So my dad is making me go into online, not the school, by the way. He's not making me because I kind of want to as well, because I kind of hate my school. Okay, it is so lumpy, but like, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna put her on. She is from NADULA Hair. I'm just telling you guys, I literally have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to wigs. Like, all I know is wig cap, wig. I think this is like actually one of my favorite wigs that I have because it's like the most natural one that I have, if that makes sense. I mean, like, hopefully it looks believable because that's the whole point of this video. Like, oh, I cut my hair. Because my friends always yell at me, like, never cut your hair. Like, do not do that. Because if this is the first video you're watching, you probably saw, but, like, my hair is, like, pretty long, and it's curly. And I have not straightened my hair or dyed my hair for about a year now. It's gonna be a 1 year on, New Year's. I kind of look like, the Instagram user, what's his name? A-Tool Red. Let me go put a wig on. No, a beanie on. Hopefully I can get like people's reactions on camera, because everyone always yells at me to never cut my hair. And everyone knows I like haven't straightened my hair. I'm against like using heat, all that. Gonna go to school. All I have is eyebrow gel on right now and mascara. I think that this is the most barefaced I've gone to school in like a month. I need to like hurry up and go to school. My mom's gonna whoop me. Oh my god, I'm so late. Okay. My head looks so big, enormous, huge, but whatever. This is it. Okay, I have, let me go close, this like lime beret and then this little bunny one, and I just have like plain green one, a green star one, plain green one, and then a green star one, and then boom. So many people, they look like say these look like Skechers, but you know what, like, I think Skechers are low-key kind of cute too, so not complaining.
Leave it alone. I want it.
Ian, you're so What do you think of it? What do you think of it?
Think of what?
My hair.
The hair?
Yeah.
Kind of look like a little skater boy.
Yeah, you kind of look like a dude.
What about you?
You look like a dude.
Got the Tommy Hill figure though.
Is this real? Your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, my thumb ruined it.
She got a haircut.
Do you like my hair?
Taylor's the only one that's
You know that lady from The Incredibles?
Oh shit, you do look like
Oh my god! I do not look like
Cut
Anna.
that out, we're fighting.
No, I mean, she is not even white.
Yeah.
She doesn't have a big nose and like glasses.
What do you think of it? A lot of people said I look like a boy.
I mean a little bit, but I don't think without your nails and like your lipstick, I would look like a boy. That's not what I was going into.
I'm gonna get so much hate.
Do you want to be in it?
So many people are gonna.
Her hair, it's really ugly. I don't care what you guys say. It's the ugliest part.
Aiden!
He makes it.
Aiden.
My channel now.
So I forgot my history book in my third period class. We're like 15 minutes late to class. Cause then like when we got the pass from my third period teacher, I dropped it like in the middle of campus. We just had to spend like 10 minutes looking for it because our school is so festive. Oh goodness. I love how I look like, woo! I just exposed my school. Honestly, it's like okay, because I'm leaving this school in like 2 days anyways.
This is our
Never coming back. Oh goodness. You have the pass, right?
Yes, I have the.
Okay, we're family friendly.
Hello, everyone. This is a PSA. I love Vereena so much. And if any of you try and mess with her, we're gonna have a problem. So stop clocking her. Okay? I love you, Vereena.
Yes. What do you think of my new haircut?
It looks nice. I like it.
Really?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the most normal thing you've
I actually really like it.
No.
Do you have a lace frontal?
Is that what it's called? Is that what
It's a wig.
Oh, it's a wig?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why
Dude, I've been growing my hair out for like a year.
I want my hair like right
I've been
here.
growing out my hair for like months now, and it won't grow. It like got to the certain length.
Natalie, everyone's obsessed with you.
Oh, God damn it.
Yeah,
I'm not an
I didn't see
idiot.
your
Thank
story.
you.
I love how I'm just like vlogging like at PE. Like, okay.
Ew,
Yeah.
I look so bad.
Yeah, she cut her hair.
She cut her hair.
She's here.
I am here.
I thought you were avoiding me because every day that I wasn't here, you were here, and every day that
No, I know! I haven't seen you in forever.
That's her real hair.
I was absent for like a week because I had a fever. I was kind of
Isn't that
dying.
your real hair?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Why are you looking at her like that?
She looks like a whole different person right now.
Ew.
Hashtag catfish.
It looks real though.
Does it? It's a wig.
She lied to me.
I lied to like everyone all day. Don't look at my legs, they're so hairy. My arms are gorgeous? Oh, thank you.
my arm.
I need a spill. I was like, my arms? Question mark?
You did.
Did you break all of them?
I like chopped them all off.
Clickbait. She did what?
Don't do drugs.
Is it good?
This
It's
or
good.
this?
Do you like? Wait, do you like peanuts and?
No, not really, but I'll try it.
Oh my gosh, guys! I posted something on my main account and I meant to post it on my
ASMR.
family account and my mom.
This is weird. I don't like this. Like, just eat it yourself. Oh, that's terrible, Green. I know what you're doing. You're ear raping everybody.
I don't know if I like this.
Just keep eating it. Don't know if I like it.
That looks weird.
ASMR.
It looks like shit.
Oh no.
You dropped it. Selfie. Hi.
Wait, why are you so skinny?
I'm not. Do you guys want to be in it?
What is this?
Is this funny?
Vereena's vlogs. The school vlog. Let me do my hair.
I'm Elena, and I look really gross.
I spent a lot of money on her merch.
I know. I love her the most. What? They don't like me. The girls that just walked by. They like saw me vlogging. They were like, "You're so precious, vereena." Thank you. A lot of people don't like me at this school.
I really don't understand.
Oh my god, my friend was. I don't know if they watch my videos, but like whatever. It doesn't really matter. Really? That is so nice. Thank you. You are the nicest person I've ever met. I'm gonna ask my PE teacher if he wants to be in it because I love him the most. What do you think of my hair?
Oh, I think it's fresh, stylish. It's a good change. It's always nice. You got January coming up, so you know it's always good to make some changes.
What if I told you it was a wig?
I'd be impressed because it doesn't look like a wig.
It's a wig.
Congratulations on pulling a fast one.
Thanks. I love you the most, Mr. McCullough.
Thank you.
What a doll. Wait, I just realized I told him I love him and he said thank you. Charles! Do you want to be in it again?
Be in what?
My video.
Hey guys.
Oh my god.
It's your boy, Daily Charles. Hey guys, look at the camera angle from down there. And like when you bring it up here, look down. Like, oh wow.
Oh, I almost fell. Can we go in there?
No, I can't fit in there. I'm like obese.
Oh my god, no.
Do it.
I can't. My head's too fat.
Just go. You can fit.
Oh wow. I can't.
Just go.
No, you can't.
Charles.
Ow, my
You need a little bit of assistance?
Oh.
You could do it.
Can't fit through.
Those girls hate me. They were all in there, and they like hate me, and like it all got.
Hate you?
Yeah. Dude, you just bullied me.
We're done. We're done.
I never bullied you. I have never insulted your appearance. But remember when you called me ugly and said my lips were unproportional to my face? I recall that too.
Mine was literally at like a 1.
Everyone smile. One time I got bangs in 8th grade, and this girl said I look like Bretman Rock.
Hey, we're going that way.
Hey! I feel like everyone in this class is just so fed up with me and they cannot wait for me to leave. Like I'm just like,
smoosh if you don't stop talking. Wait.
send me a kiss. Go.
Wait.
It's probably dead. Probably don't want to talk.
I tossed it up.
Ooh. Golden hour.
Hey. Hi.
Ew.
How's it going, guys?
We're at Wings right now. I'm a good friend because I got him wings. I was changing at PE and I was like putting my shirt over my head with my beanie and like my shirt like moved my beanie and like my wig like and I love how you're just not listening to me. I love how you're just not listening to me.
I love how you're just like not listening to me.
I just told a whole story. It's fine, I'm fine. No big deal. Don't even worry about it.
Okay, so it's 4 o'clock and I just got home. You guys have no idea. Literally look, like my wig was not even on. Like it came off during PE. Like she was gone. She was off. I swear there's no better feeling than this. Also, I like sneezed a minute ago and I had a major snot rocket, so let me just blow my nose. Oh my god, okay, no, I have to like pause this. I have to go poop. I don't care, I'm gonna say it. Not even gonna lie. I just spent like way too much time like sitting on the toilet. Overall, today was not bad. Oh god, that feels so good. Oh my god. I'll put all the information for that wig in the description if you want it. It's really good. My PE teacher thought it was real. Okay, my PE teacher, can we just talk about how much of a sweetheart he is? He's like so nice to me. Like he's the only person at my school that is nice to me. Not literally, but like, you know, I'm exaggerating clearly, but he's so nice. Like what a sweetheart. Love him. A lot of my friends, like when I would tell them like I kept going in class, like when I couldn't record, they'd be like, oh my god, is that your real hair? I'd be like, yeah. And they would like try to tug on my hair. I'd be like, it's a wig. I'm sorry. I lied. I took a final today. I took my history final. I knew nothing on it. But, you know, somehow I always get good grades in that class, knock on wood. Even when I don't study. So, let's just hope that's the case for this time. Because, yes. These last 2 days I'm going like all out at school because I just like don't care. People like hate me there and people are like mean, So I just don't care what people think anymore, because it's like the last 2 days, you know? So like, what do I have to lose? Nothing. Yeah, I just want to say, like, I know it's a normal thing for a lot of people to wear wigs to school, but it's just not at my school. So that's why I always like vlog it when I do. Anyways, that is all. Oh my god, wait. Can I do like one of the... Ew! You can see my toes. Okay, what about... Oh my god, all the people with feet fetish right now are like shook. Ah, there's a hole in my sock.